Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. What we need to do first is we need to go rummaging around in the kitchen. There are plenty of fantastic things that you can find. Self-raising. It's a year out of date. The moisture got in there. And what we're going to do is we're just going to grab our brush, just going to dab it in, and we're going to just start placing it onto our face. Really dab it on there if it isn't really working too well, but trust me, you can always blend it out. Up onto the ears as well, girls. You don't want to have your ears looking all different. And then down on your neck and blend it in. Now, people always ask me with this technique, like, can I use a beauty blender? And yes, it is possible, 100%. And I'll show you just after I've finished with this. Okay, so, as you can see, it's not very well blended at the moment. So what we need to do is we need to get this. This is a kiwi wrapped up into a J-cloth. Place it up like that, and then maybe put some water on it, make it a bit moister so it starts to blend things a bit better. Now we need to contour. So I've got some ground nutmeg from Tesco. Just dab it with your brush, get some of that nice up on there, and then yeah, look at that. Hun. Need a little bit more for the next cheek. And just exactly the same. And yeah, then we blend it back in. Then let's put some bronzer up onto our cheeks. And for this, I'm using just some instant coffee, which I'm going to crush with the back of my brush. God, that's taking a long time. If it starts to take a long time, just accept it. And then with this, just kind of grab it with your fingers and smear it over your cheeks. Yeah, hun, looking fantastic. Now we'll be doing the lips last, but first what I wanted to get on was the eyes. New angle, new angle. So, what we're going to do now is we're going to start on our eyes. It's a little bit dark here, but don't worry, I'm going to be moving back so you'll be able to see exactly what I'm doing. Madras paste up onto your curry powder, up onto your brush. And you go into the top of your eye and just shade it around. Now this one can be used all over your eye, and don't be shy with it. I mean, it might say hot on the bottle, but trust me, it will make you look even hotter. And just dab it around till you get that nice smoky look around it. Oh, my face is starting to hurt. Oh. Okay, and then just keep going until you have a nice amount covered around. Oh, that's actually quite a nice shade, to be honest with you. Oh, my face is incredibly itchy now. Alright. And now we go in with the cayenne pepper. And this one you kind of just want to brush above the eye and make it look a lot more pronounced, that it's a bit redder. Time for the next one. This was so fucking stupid. Okay, so as you can see, I'll shine a bit of light on my face. Time for the under eye. That's what we want right now. And once again, and just like the last time, we're going to go in with our Madras powder first. Get plenty on that brush, girls. And you're just going to pat it under the eye. Yep. You just got to keep going. Yeah. Beauty is pain. Shit. Onto the other eye. Plenty on that brush, remember? Oh! Okay. Change of plan. This is an eyes closed look. So can I have some help, please? Someone. And there you go. Fabulous.